Customs on arms. Do we need to practice?
No.
Are you guys singing with me?
No.
Yes, you are.
3, 2, 1, whenever you're ready.
TNT. You're not gonna do it with me.
You can just say it.
You want to say it together?
Whatever.
You can sing it. I know you can sing. I've heard you sing. TNT Customs long arms. First verse. 1, 2, 3.
On the first day of Christmas,
My true love gave to me. That was awesome.
fine, I was really feeling myself. I wasn't ready. You went here. Holy shit, that was amazing.
On the second day of Christmas, my true love sent to me.
On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 3 TNT skid plates, 2 rock sliders, and a TNT Customs long arm.
1, 2, 3.
On the third
Day of Christmas, my true love gave to me.
Get this one. Did you go 4? Did you go 4? I was trying to skip to full.
Okay.
5 trail ready wheels.
Oh, I need to see the wheels. Okay. Sorry.
And Perfect, you're done. We'll torture the other shot. All right, just for a practice run, all we have to sing is on the 7th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. And then we'll sing 8 and 9 and 10 and 11 and 12.
On the 7th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 8, 9, 10, 11.
I know you were going to do that.
On the
seventh day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 7 quarts of Amsoil
and a boogie butt. Yeah.
On the 10th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 10 off-road park passes.
11, master terrain. Master your terrain.
See?
Oh, shoot, I wasn't recording.
Don't.
Getting a shot, I guess.
So after she says 12 4x4 friends cheering,
We all
just
cheer?
cheer.
Okay.
Woo!